Mom and Bobby, let's go. Time for the park.
We're coming. Mom, where's my seatbelt? Mine's gone too.
That's strange. I'm sure they were here.
A seatbelt thief. The investigation begins.
Evidence. A pink hairpin and a gray hair.
The thief must be small and sneaky.
All right, who took the seatbelt from the car?
Was it you, Duke? Or was it you, Rose?
Duke, where were you during the disappearance of the seatbelts?
No clues from them. Clues where?
I found them. I put them in here to wash them.
They were in there all along? So, there's no seatbelt thief?
No, but I'm glad you both know how to investigate. The most important thing is that seatbelts keep us safe on the road.
My seatbelt is back.
Buckling up is the best way to be a hero on the road, boys.
Bye, everyone. Stay safe.
Bye.
Stay safe.
Such a simple case.